This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Gboard is the active keyboard. This avoids changing system input later. Once confirmed, open a text field so you can see the keyboard and access its gear icon directly. Tap the gear icon on Gboard or go to Settings, then Gboard from the System menu. This immediately brings you to the keyboard options where the arrow setting lives. Make sure you have the keyboard visible so you can test changes in real time as you proceed. Once inside Preferences, look specifically for layout controls labeled arrow keys or arrow row. Gboard sometimes moves this under Layouts or Advanced. Toggle that switch off to remove the extra arrow key row immediately. If the option is available, you may also choose condensed layouts like one-handed or floating, which omit the arrow row by design. After toggling, return to your open text field to verify the arrow keys disappeared. This live check can, to finish, test the keyboard in several apps to ensure the arrow row is gone everywhere. If the arrow still appears, make sure to clear Gboard's cache and app info and then restart your device. This often forces the settings to apply. If that fails, check for a Gboard update or reinstall the app from the Play Store, because older versions or corrupt installs can ignore preference changes. One key troubleshooting tip: after reinstalling, re-enable Gboard as active keyboard before testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.